Hello! Today I'm going to show you how you can use materials and global illumination to create more fun objects in Cinema 4D. Okay, so we will start by adding a floor where the lightning from the object will reflect upon. And go ahead and add a sphere that will be our object in today's tutorial. So we're going to create a new material and you're gonna click and drag this one here to about 11% of blackish color. Go into reflectance, change the specular to GGS type of reflection, and then as well go into texture and add Fresnel. Drag the mix strength to about 35 to 40%. And apply the material onto the object. So now we're gonna make the object editable, and then we're gonna click UL to create a loop selection, where we're gonna just add, select some parts of the object. Then we're gonna go ahead and click selection and set selection. So now we're gonna create the illuminated material into the object. So we're gonna go ahead and create new material, unbuck the reflectance, and then we're gonna add the luminance. So we're gonna put the brightness to about 300%. Choose whichever color you would like the object to shine in. I chose the color red, and you can of course choose whichever color you want to have. So now we're gonna put the material onto the shape, but we want to have this color on our selected areas of our object. So we're gonna go ahead and click on our selection, and we're gonna copy and paste the polygon selection and paste it on our new material in the selection area. And then we're gonna go and click enter, and now you have the material on our selected areas. So now we're gonna create the object that I showed you in the beginning of the video. So we're gonna go ahead and click grid clone tool, where we're gonna put the sphere as a child to our cloner, and we're gonna make it a radial mode on our object properties. So now we're gonna just click and drag counts to somewhere around 30-40 to fill the whole shape. Then I'm gonna go ahead and change my render settings so we can see the global illuminance to our projects, to our objects. So we're gonna go ahead and push render settings, my render settings, and then I'm gonna go into effects, click in global illumination, and we can add some glow into our object as well. Yes, so now when we render this little fella, we are gonna have a super similar object to the one I showed you in the beginning. Yes, so now we just copy and paste the object. So we have 3 exact similar. And then we're gonna just go into one of these objects. And we're gonna create new material again, because we're gonna change the color of the 2 new objects on the side. So we're gonna do the exact same thing now by just changing the color of the luminance, add brightness to 300, and then we're gonna go ahead and paste them into our new objects. And there we are. So this tutorial you can apply into almost any object to create a more vibrant and more colorful objects in Cinema 4D.